What's good, fellas? Thanks for meeting me back on the charts. Today is an exciting day for the boys, right? If you've watched the previous couple videos, you've known that I've had these four pairs in a watch list for the last week or two now. I have this list. Oh my gosh, bro. Where's the red, man? I have UCAD trade waiting, and then I have this Euro GBP, right? Now, if we look at both, I'll explain why I'm looking for an entry now. So, here on the daily, we see liquidity sweep, and then we see breaks of structure. Break of structure here. Right? And we deleted this fucking moving average. So now I'm just waiting for price to come back to test this previous resistance, and I'm gonna take that trade to then boom, boom. That's the setup here. And if we look on the higher time frame, you can see why I'm comfortable taking this. Major liquidity sweep here. And if you look on the monthly, look at this demand zone, right? Like, yeah, obviously, it looks like we're what's it called? Bearish, technically, because we're below the moving average. We're making lower highs, lower lows, but I'm simply just looking at this demand zone and waiting for a break of structure on a higher time frame. That's why I said must be daily, because hold on. Ooh. Let's make this take profit right here. Yeah, because this could be an area where price could definitely retrace from. But yeah, I'm basically just anticipating a bounce, and market on the daily showed me that it's potentially gonna make that bounce. Now in UCAD, what we see here is a similar kind of situation. We are in this is counter trend, so I'm not gonna risk my normal risk. But let's delete these real quick. But if we can see here, a clear supply zone with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. So I'm just anticipating a move down now. Now, I definitely don't want to be selling in this area, but I'm perfectly fine with selling up here. So now that I see we broke structure, I just want to wait for price to come back and into this fair value gap. I'm going to make it a little even 4. Yeah. So price is showing me that we are making that downward push. So now I just want to look for that retracement. And these don't have to come to my entry levels, you know what I mean? This is just what I have mapped out, and now I'm just simply waiting, right? So here, it can come here, boom, boom. That's what I see on this pair. Now let's go to GU. This one I've been waiting for a while now, and this is one I would risk a lot. Look at how much confidence we have. On the weekly, we have a bullish fair value gap, bullish order block, these downward candles, previous resistance acting as support, and moving average, right? That's a lot of confidence. And then if we see here, previous liquidity swept that too. So now I'm just waiting for the 4-hour to give me an entry. Now, once this 4-hour candle closes, I still kind of want to wait for this structure to break, because that's the overall structure of the swing, you know. But I'm gonna wait for something like this to happen. Boom, boom, right here, and boom. That's what I'm waiting for here. And then I'd make my stop. I'd set my stop probably below this low, which is kind of iffy because I would want the stop to be down here, but then this trade would have to be a lot longer holding time, you know. And then I can target up here, I could target here. I'd probably target right here, to be honest. But yeah, I need to see price make more of a move up before I move it to my red watch list. And then for AutoCAD, a similar situation. We're bullish. We're reacting off of the moving average a little bit, this order block, and this fair value gap. So similar situation to GU. And now I'm just waiting for the same thing to happen. Price to break structure here, and then just wait for a retrace. So maybe come here, break, retest somewhere around this level, and then make a continuation up. That's what I would be looking for. But like, this is what's the problem is, like, a lot of times price will like do something like this and just rip, make a little retracement, and just keep ripping. And if that happens, I'm just not getting tagged in. I need to see a retrace so my risk to reward is better. But that's just basically what I'm looking at for the day. And this is why I love swing trading, right? Because it doesn't take a lot of freaking time, bro. Like I had these pairs marked out on Sunday, and then it takes 5 minutes maybe. This video is so far going for 7 minutes. It takes a couple minutes for me to analyze, and then that's it. I'm out. You know what I mean? This is what profitable traders, how they act and how they actually work. Less is more when it comes to this shit, right? You don't need to be on the charts 10 hours a day. Whoever's telling you that is lying to your face, bro. The more you're on the charts, the more impatient you're going to be, the more mistakes you're going to make. Set habits that set you up to make the least amount of errors as possible. And for day trading, if you're going to be a day trader, not a swing trader, that's trading within your session and having like an entry window. Like, I know for a lot of ICT guys, it's like 8:30 to 10. You wait for that first 30 minutes of the market, and then you wait for the liquidity sweep, for example, and you go. And if you don't see that happen, you leave. But a lot of people, if you're on the charts all day, your brain is going to want to reward the work with some sort of like material measure of success. And for most people, it's money with trading, like hitting a good trade. But you can't force that shit. You have to let the market tell you what it's going to do. Like, let it paint that picture, and then it's up to you to execute on the picture you're observing. Don't try to force a picture that isn't there. And that's what happens when you try to go too hard on this kind of stuff. You got to just be patient, sit with your hands back, and let things just play out, right? And over here, we can mark this up too. The fuck? Liquidity sweep. And then all this breaks of structure. And I would honestly take this all the way down, possibly to even this area. But I'm fine with my 4R. Trust me, brother. I'm fucking chilling with the 4R. I don't need no. But this could potentially be a 9R trade. But I'm not interested in that, in those speeches, because those, obviously, the probabilities of price moving that much is not in my favor. But yeah, I'm feeling good, dude. I know I'm a profitable trader. Now I just have to wait for the bank account to reflect, you know? Like, ever since I started telling myself that I've already done it, I am profitable. I have all the tools, I have the mindset, I have everything down. Then I realized I just have to be patient and stop worrying so much. Because, like, when you are trying too hard and you don't see a setup for a week, you're going to strategy hop. You're going to try to force things because you need that validation that you're on the right path. I know I'm on the right path. I know I'm going to be rich. So what's the point? You know, what's the point in stressing out, forcing trades, looking for the holy grail strategy? I got what I need, bro. I fucking got what I need, bro. I've backtested so much. I can read market structure. I can identify higher time frame areas of interest. I got all this shit, bro. And now it's just time to wait. Wait and let the results stack up. But yeah, that'll be it for today's video. Just wanted to log on, give a quick recap of what I'm looking at. I don't know why. What's it called? I don't know why when I go here, there's a orange list. There's not a red list. What the fuck? Let's go back. Yeah, that's weird to me. But yeah. Let me change this name. Let's rename. This is Forex. Beautiful. Let's look at crypto. We're seeing big pushes up. We're bullish on the 4 hour, bullish on the daily for sure. ETH, like, dude, my question is, why is ETH so underperforming compared to Bitcoin? The charts look completely different. Look at the difference in charts, dude. And this red line is my where I'm in. So I'm down about 30% right now, my initial investment, but I did dollar cost average. I think right here I added some dollar cost averaging. But look, we're bearish, dude, on ETH. We would need a huge push up. Huge push up, man. But yeah, I'm just concerned about this election too. A lot is riding on this election. A lot, bro. But yeah, I feel like I'm gonna, if Bitcoin ever hits 100K, I'm out, selling my Bitcoin positions, and then just use that money for trading. And then once Bitcoin is back to like around 50K or somewhere decent, I'll look for something there. I mean, on the monthly, we're still bullish, so I guess it's kind of another confluence, but nowhere near Bitcoin. Like, dude, this is a huge consolidation, huge. Then my AVAX position is embarrassing, which is kind of correlated with ETH, like just very underperforming compared to, yeah, just underperforming. But diamond hands, baby, diamond hands. But thanks for watching. That'll be it for this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good Tuesday. Get out there and vote. Donnie J, baby.